Boat anchor here with another box opening, another radio. Came in yesterday. Let's see what she is. Okay. My assistant is out getting groceries, so I gotta do this again, like this. Okay. All right. Okay, this time we got paper. Okay, paper. Can go in the trash. Okay. Power cord. Paper and more that. On the side. Now I think there was supposed to be a microphone here. I hope. Yep. Okay, there's the microphone. Okay. Alrighty. And okay, so as you can see, it's paper. Alrighty. Okay. Now, stand by, let me get it out of the box. Okay, it's now out of the box, and as you can see, it is a Bobcat 23. And the pictures on eBay showed that it was on, and the clock works, and everything. I'm going to take this stupid thing off right here. It's supposed to go right here, I think. But I don't want that crap on there. So I'm just going to take that off right now. Alright. Alright. So there you go. It's dirty. Oh yeah, that'll clean up. And the clock spins. Alright. So let's go put it on the bench and see what happens. Probably have to clean all the pots and switches and this, if it even works. It comes on, but I don't know if it works. Here's the back of it. Yeah, it's just dirty. 74, I believe, or 75. Maybe 75. I'm thinking 74. So let's go put it on the bench, shall we? Okay, here it is on the bench, and the clock wasn't working, but as soon as that pot heated it up, the grease, I guess, in it, you know, it works now. Nice and clean. It's got that golden patina, and yeah, I had to work at it a while. Its channel selector was dirty as hell. MB works pretty good. Audio. It's got some forward swing. Audio. Let's see. Audio. 1 2 1 2 modulation. Okay, audio 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 audio 1 2. Okay, so that's working. BR on the modulation is somewhere on here. I'll find out where and turn up the modulation. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. Check the SWR. Okay. Okay, bottom one. SWR. I know it's blurry, this thing. And, okay. SWR. Yeah, 1.4. Audio. Yeah, modulation can be turned up. It's probably all the way down, and I'll have to find out where it is. Break. Okay. Okay, stand by while I fiddle with the modulation. Stand by. Okay, so this is what I found out. That's the TX meter power out. That's the modulation VR there. TX power on the meter. Okay, TX power on the meter, modulation VR there. This is a signal meter here, VR right here. And so, yeah, all that's right. Then you got your AM tuning cans right there for power. And receive here, and here, and here. So, yeah, I got it up to as much as I could by turning the cans there and doing that, and I get this. Audio. ALO, normal talking, audio. Yeah, about 6 watts. And modulation I turned up. Audio, 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2. Okay, so yellow. It's not a super powerhouse, but it is a working radio. Yeah. It works now. The clock runs. Like I said, the grease in there had to warm up for the motor to spin. Now let's see what the frequency is, if it's off, which it probably is, being crystal controlled. Okay, channel 17. Yeah, it's pretty close. Yeah, it's close. Okay, let's see, channel 6. Yeah. Channel 1. Yeah, that's off of the 10th. 964.9, so 23. 2550 almost. So yeah, it's pretty close. Channel 11. 0848. Got your tuno slide here. Yeah, this thing was dirty as hell. The channel selector. I had to spray it with a deox and do that, and now it's working. Now I just got to clean it up, shine it up, put it back together. Original stock mic that came with the radio. Missing one screw on the connector here, but it's working. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Like I said, it ain't a powerhouse, but gets the job done. Alright, so there you go. Bearcat 23C functioning. Functioning once again. Brought back to life. Break, break. Anybody interested? Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2. 1, 2. Audio. Audio. Okay, it's all cleaned up, ready to go. If anybody's interested, just let me know. I paid 78 bucks shipped, so now it's you know, I cleaned it up and got it working, and everything's working on it. So that's what I paid, $78 shipped. So there you go. If anybody's interested, let me know. I still got to clean the face off, but there ain't no scratches or anything. I just need to get the dust off, that's all. Speaker chrom's good. The chrome is pretty good. It's a couple of, you know, after, what, 40 years? 50? This is a 1974 or 75 radio, so, but it is pretty good. And it's super clean inside, so, yeah, nobody's been in this thing except for me. And I didn't do much. No caps changed. All the caps are good. All I did was spray all the controls, and the NB seems to work real good. Eh? So there you go. Oh, I got it hooked up to that down there. So let me show you what it sounds like with the... So there you go. It's a Bearcat 23C and fully operational operation. So let me know. Are you interested? Break, break.